Which among the following is related to interstitial melanism? Interstitial melanism refers to the phenomenon where the dark colored organisms such as moths become more common in the industrial areas due to pollution. And this adaptation helps them survive better by camouflaging them from the predators. So in the case of peppered moth, before industrial revolution, the lighter colored moths were more common as they were camouflaged against the lichen-covered trees. However, due to industrial pollution, the trees became darker and the darker colored moths, that is melanic forms, had a survival advantage because they were less visible to the predators. So, this is a classic example for natural selection, where environmental changes cause certain traits to become more favorable, leading to an increase in those traits in the population over generations. So, that means the correct answer is option C, natural selection. Whereas coming to option A, neo-Lamarckism, this refers to the idea that the organisms can acquire traits during their lifetime and pass them on to the offspring. So this is not related to interstitial melanism, so it is incorrect. Option B, neo-Darwinism. This is a modern synthesis of Darwinian evolution that combines natural selection with genetic theory. Now, option T, mutation. Mutation can contribute to genetic variation. So, interstitial melanism is primarily an example of natural selection acting on existing genetic variation, not a new mutation. So, option D is also incorrect. Answer is natural selection.